Hey, good morning, guys. This is Pushpak Raj, and today's topic is on how to create the test case template on Naukri.com application. So, the project name is Naukri.com application created by Shubham. Shubham is the tester name who can create the test cases on Naukri.com on the date of 6th of November 2023. Reviewed by Pushpak Raj is a senior authority of the team who can review the test cases on the same date. So, this is the test case ID. TC stands for test case, NC stands for Naukri.com, and 001, this is the first test case. That's why I mentioned here the 001. So the test case name is login functionality. Test case description is verify user can log in with the valid credential. Okay, so this is the description. So what are the steps to be follow? For that purpose, launch the Naukri.com application, enter the valid username and password. So what expected result you are getting? User should be on the login page. User should be login successfully. So this is the expectation. So expected and actual match means test case is fast. Otherwise the test case is fail. In the comment part, if at the time of testing tester find any defect, that kind of defect they will be mentioned in the comment part. Okay. Move on the second test case, that is the job search. So this Naukri.com portal is used for searching the job, for applying the job also. Okay, so job search. So the test case description is verify that user can search for jobs. Okay, so test tips: login into the account, enter the job keyword into the search bar. So what expected result you are getting? User should be on the home page, job listing matching the keyword should be appear. Okay, so expected actual match means test case is fast, otherwise test case is fail. Okay, so job search means there are the different sectors like banking sector, telecom sectors, like and there are the multiple sectors which will be available. So everyone want to job in different sectors, so the user can use that applications in the different job application purposes. Okay, so that appears according to the customer requirement or not, or that showing the result according to the customer requirement or not, that we have to check here. Okay, so move on the third test case, that is the profile update. Okay, so verify user can update their profile. Okay, so for that purpose, the step to be follow: login into the account, navigate to the profile section, edit and save the profile information. Okay, so the expected result is the user should be on the home page. Okay, so user profile information page should be displayed and information should be updated successfully. This is the expected result. Expected and actual match means test case is fast, otherwise test case is fail. This is the test case template format of Naukri.com applications. So likewise there are the multiple domains like banking domain, telecom domain, e-commerce, then healthcare. All the test case template format are available in this channel. Also automation testing, manual testing related information are available in this channel. Thank you for watching the videos. Have a good day.